Yeah. Oh, relax. Oh, relax.
Where's Kika? Ah, she's right in there. Yeah. Oh, because you're friends. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Friends.
Big time.
Go on, Aslan. Don't you fancy a snack? Aslan. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Aslan. Go on, have a snack, Aslan. It's this little puss.
He's a good boy, Aslan. Good boy. I know she's your friend. She loves you. Yeah, she loves you. You're a good boy.